I, Julian, take you, Rylee, to be my wife,
to care for you and trust you,
to care for you and trust you,
to cherish you and respect you.
to cherish you and respect you.
I promise to honor and support
I promise to honor and support
your dreams and goals.
your dreams and goals.
I promise to be faithful to you
I promise to be faithful to you
by my words and through my actions,
by my words and through my actions,
whether we are together
whether we are together
or are apart,
or are apart,
in good times and in bad,
in good times and in bad,
in sickness and in health.
in sickness and in health.
I will love and honor you
I will love and honor you
and our union
and our union
through all the days of my life.
through all the days of my life. I give you this ring
As a symbol of my love and commitment.
as a symbol of my love and commitment,
I, Rylee, take you, Julian, to be my husband,
To care for you and trust you.
to care for you and trust you,
To cherish you and respect you.
to cherish you and respect you.
I promise to honor and support
I promise to honor and support
your dreams and goals.
your dreams and goals.
I promise to be faithful to you
I promise to be faithful to you
by my words and through my actions,
by my words and through my actions,
whether we are together
whether we are together
or we are apart,
or we are apart,
in good times and in bad,
in good times and in bad,
in sickness and in health.
in sickness and in health.
I will love and honor you
I will love and honor you
and our union
and our union
through all the days of my life.
through all the days of my life.
As you do so,
That's
say,
that
I
one,
give you
right?
this ring
Yeah.
I give you this ring
as a symbol of my love and commitment.
as a symbol of my love and commitment.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. And I seal your vows with a kiss.
I love you.
May I introduce you for the first time as husband and wife, Julian and Rylee.
One time my dad pulled me aside and he said, you know, you really have to learn the value of having a little person in your life. And I'll always remember that. Because after that, I feel like I always try to make more time to pay attention to my little sister.
For a couple that any couple is envious of the love that you have for each other, I could give you advice, but it wouldn't make sense because you guys really have what it takes to have a successful relationship. And I love you both from the bottom of my heart, and I'm proud of you, Julian.
And it was so great to see them because I feel like during their vows, it kind of summed up their relationship, right? Like if you paid close attention, you could see they were laughing and they were joking. And that's what I see when I see them. I see two people that love being together. They enjoy spending time together. And like Crystal said, that's gonna be your favorite person. There's no doubt in my mind that you guys are each other's favorite people.
Julian, take you, Rylee, to be my wife.
I, Rylee, take you, Julian, to be my husband.
Hi, Rylee and Julian. Congratulations. We're so happy for you guys. Julian, welcome to the family. You're officially an O'Brien now.
Hi, Rylee. Hi, Julian. I was put under the spot. I don't know what to say now. Being held against my will to do this, but I love you guys. Oh, you gotta name your kid Jamal, okay? Maybe like...
What if it's a girl?
A girl? Pam.
Okay. All right. There you go. Yeah.
I'm not sure if I can follow that up. Rylee and Julian. Great day, great wedding, great party. Love you guys both. I can't say enough, Julian, how we welcome you to this family. You bring us up a notch, even though I brought us down a notch, so I guess let's put it as even. But anyways, welcome to the family. Love you guys. Rock on.
Love
like
you.
the way you dance, by the way.
Best wishes to you. What's your name again? Rylee and Julian. I am so happy for you. And I stopped drinking 10 years ago, so this is me talking, not the booze. So I love you guys. Have a happy, happy marriage. And don't go to bed angry. Love you.
Congratulations, Rylee and Julian. We are so excited to be here today to celebrate you both. We wouldn't have missed it. No advice because we don't know either, but we love you guys and keep laughing, and you're the best.
Good evening, Michigan State Farm. We are live here at your wedding. We have breaking news. We will kick it off to Alex with the breaking news. Please, Alex.
Hey, Rylee and Julian. Rylee, we've been best friends since college. I love you so much. You are literally the peanut butter to my jelly. And then we added Julian, and he's like the bread because he like keeps us together. And he's like, all right, we're going here next. And it's just been so amazing. And it's always felt like family with you two. And I love you so much. Happy wedding.
Happy wedding.
Love Alex and Jaron.
I'm back again, my boy.
Finn.
Yeah, well, I'm supposed to say something better. We really love you guys, and we're really happy you're part of the family, Julian. Yeah, we love you, and we like your dance moves, too. Remember, Pam or Jamal?
Good dance moves.
No, say something, like, meaningful.
Love you guys. Have a good marriage.
Have a good marriage. You're gonna see them all the time. Like, they're not leaving. Have a good marriage.
I know.
Well, have a good marriage, guys. Love you.
Jules?
And Rylee.
We absolutely love the both of you. We've been at this for 12, 13, 14 years now, and just seeing the smile on your face and the way you talk about Rylee and for the last, 6, 7 years, whatever it is, man, it's just, it warms my heart, man. I'm just so happy for the two of you. I'm so unbelievably happy, and the love that you guys share with one another. I just wish you guys all the best. I can't wait for you guys to meet me as well. You're gonna be the godfather, and I just couldn't pick a better person and better people to love, our child, and just seeing your love, and it's just unbelievable, bro. And Mary, anything else?
We love you. We just love you guys.
Absolutely love you guys, man. And God bless, brother.
Hey, you two, congratulations.
Congratulations.
Oh, Natalie has a lot to say. But I just want to say that we wish you both the best. And thank you very much for putting us up over spring break. It was really cool to come down there and visit you guys. So that was very special. One thing that I just want to say, and I didn't get up there and do a speech and all that, but Rylee, when I first met Julian, I was thinking, okay, this is a guy that Riley's dating, and okay, we'll see about him. And I didn't know anything about you besides that you were from England. I wasn't sure, kind of arm's length relationship. I wasn't sure how to take you because I couldn't do any research, find out about you, things like that. Really quickly, I knew you were a nice guy and all that kind of stuff. But after a while, watching you with my sister, it was really nice and special to see the way that you took care of her. And from the time that the three of us went out and you were trying to get your driver's license, we practiced parking and all that kind of stuff. I'll tell you one thing that really stuck out to me is when you guys came up to visit, like the O'Briens do. We can get into heated discussions and stuff like that. So Rylee and I got into a pretty heated discussion. The way you handled it, Julian, after that, by asking me to step aside to have a conversation with you, I really knew that you had my sister's best interest in heart and that you were always going to take care of her. If you were willing to step up to her brother, and you didn't do it in a disrespectful way, you did it in a very respectful way, but that just, it really showed a lot about you as a man and about you as a person and the kind of love you were willing to offer my sister. So at that point, I knew that you were a guy that was going to take care of my sister. That's one thing that really sticks out to me, and I'll always have respect for you from that, and I sincerely wish you two the best.
We love you. We're so happy for you.
And thank you for letting us be part of your special day.
Julian and Rylee, we love you guys so much. We wish the best for you guys. And Julian, you really fit right into this family. You bring such a smile to our faces. You just are awesome for our cousin, man. I really could not choose anybody better for her. And I love it so much. Love you guys, and I wish the best for you.
Julian, Ryan, this is great fun. We're having a good time. I got 3 lovely ladies with me here. We were going to do a dance for you, but we figured that bugs are going to carry us away soon, so we're not going to do that. But, I see a smile on both your faces that just won't quit. You got happy feet. Your bud said, Julian, you got fast feet. You're going to need them to keep up with her. I hope you guys have a great life together. Enjoy yourselves. Take care.
I'm very happy for you guys. I just wanted to let you guys know that I love you so much and that I appreciate all the support you've ever given me and that you really just made me who I am. Just that's all I had to say.
Hey, Rylee Julian, are you in there? So what we wanted to say is it's wonderful to be here with you today. Ry, do you agree? He agrees. He agrees. I spoke on behalf of him, but he agrees. We wanted to wish you a few things that are not just like the trite expressions of we wish you the best, but we wish you the best. Pat and a few other people recommended that we don't sing anything, but we might. What do you want to sing?
Congratulations.
Do you want to stick? You want to sing?
Nope.
All right, so we wanted to celebrate by singing Boyz II Men. How do I wish you congratulations to this wedding today. Where's my brother? Good times that were today, they're still today. I've lost the plot. Anyway, we love you both. Congratulations. Come and visit whenever you like.
Hello, Rylee and Julian. This is your mother and your Faja.
Thanks for inviting us to this
To
pleasant
your
event
day.
today.
Yes. I hope you had as much fun as we did.
It's all about you. We have a great time thinking about you guys, having fun, Zoom in, FaceTime. It's beautiful. Thanks for sharing the day with us and sharing all of your wonderful friends.
Right.
We had the chance to meet them and your family.
And James and your dad.
Oh, God.
It was wonderful. They were such
Julian,
a big help.
We've known that you've been just a gentleman, but we understand that came from the family. And
Even though Francis said it didn't, it was life. No,
we
it
had the
wasn't.
chance to meet them all, man. We understand it. Thank you.
Yes, love you guys.
Thanks for sharing with us, guys. Love you both.
Rylee and Julian, congratulations. You guys are meant for each other. I love it. I love to see you guys together. Rylee, you light up Julian's face every time he sees you. And today we saw it, when he just had you in his hands, and it was great. It was great to see someone that deserves to be happy, be as happy as he is today, and for the rest of you guys' life as well. And I know that he makes you happy as well, and I know that's why you stand up for him and you fight for him, and I love that. I love that, honestly. To you guys, I wish you the best of luck in this journey. I'm on the same boat, as you guys know, so we're gonna be learning from each other, and we're gonna hopefully expand on our family, right? As you guys know, I'm having a kid And you guys are gonna be aunties and uncles, right? So I'm hoping in the near future you guys make me a happy uncle as well. Here's to a life of friendship and love. So I love you guys. Thank you for including me in your day, in your special event. And I'm sorry that Leslie couldn't be here. She made sure that she wanted to tell you guys that she wanted to be here, and that she's also looking forward to a lifelong friendship with you, Rylee, in specific, because obviously, Julian, we know you a little bit more. Love you guys, and blessings.
Listen, Julian, it's like a bigger brother for me. We came up from nothing. This guy was like next door neighbor to me. You know, we grew up eating fucking chicken and kenke. He will understand. For me to be here and to witness his big day is just beautiful. Like, my big brother he's making it. You know what I mean? I wish him and his wife nothing but success in their marriage. That's it. You know what I mean?
Uncle Julian and Aunt Rylee have a lot of fun together. And Uncle Julian definitely loves tubing with Aunt Rylee. They love each other. It kind of grosses me out. That's all I can think of.
I think Aunt Rylee and Uncle Julian should be together because they're a sweet couple and they're nice to each other and they're thoughtful and funny.
I am so incredibly happy for you guys. This has been a pleasure, and it's great that you got both families together like this at such a beautiful occasion. I wish you guys nothing but the best, and I love you too. And that's all I gotta say about that.